You're bleeding money right now, and you don't even realize it. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you 5 silent wealth killers that are draining your bank account while you sleep. But here's the catch. Number 4 is something 90% of people think is actually smart money. Stick around, because if you click away before the reveal, you'll keep making this mistake for years. Let's play a game. I want you to check your bank account right now. Done? Good. Whatever that number is, it should be higher, way higher. But something is stealing from you. Not a thief in the night. Something worse. A habit. 5 habits, actually. And the scariest part? Your friends and family probably taught you these. Habit 1 seems innocent. It's retail therapy. But wait, I'm not talking about shopping sprees. I'm talking about the $5 coffee, the $12 lunch, it's just $3 subscription. These microbleeds don't hurt until they do. Calculate this for me. $15 a day. Seems small, right? That's $5,475 a year. Vanished. But that's not even the worst one. Habit 3 is where most people panic when they realize it. It's paying yourself last. You work all month, pay everyone else, landlord, grocery store, Netflix, and then save whatever is left over. Newsflash, nothing is ever left over. The wealthy, they pay themselves first, before anyone else, before the government even takes taxes. How? You'll find out in 60 seconds. Now, habit 4. This one stings. It's keeping up with the Joneses, but not in the way you think. I'm not talking about buying flashy cars. I'm talking about upgrading your lifestyle the second you get a raise. That new apartment, the slightly nicer phone, the I deserve this mentality. You just trapped yourself. You increase your chains, not your freedom. Here's the escape plan. Automate your savings. Pay yourself first. Track every dollar for just 7 days. And delete the shopping apps. Not tomorrow. Today. Your bank account is begging you. Which habit hit you hardest? Comment the number below. And subscribe.